red color, yellow color, green color, orange color, sky blue color, pink color, B, C,
Now I know my ABCs.
D,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
E,
A, B, C,
F,
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
Z,
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
H,
X, Y, and Z.
I,
Now I know my ABCs.
Z,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
K, L, M, N, O,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
P,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q,
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
R,
X, Y, and Z. Now I know
S,
my ABCs. Next time,
T,
won't you sing with me?
U, V,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
W,
I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
X,
T, U, V, W, X,
Y,
Y, and Z. Now I know
Z.
my ABCs.
Let's paint.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
A for ambulance, B for book, C for chili pepper, D for doctor,
Do you know the muffin man?
E
The muffin
for
man, the
elephant,
muffin man. Do you know the muffin man?
F
Lives on
for
Drury Lane.
football,
Yes, we know the Muffin Man.
Z
The Muffin
Z
Man,
for
the Muffin
green
Man.
capsicum,
Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury
H
Lane.
for helicopter, I for ink, Z for jeep,
Know the muffin man, the muffin man, the muffin
K for king,
muffin man who lives on Drury
L
Lane.
for laptop,
The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know
M
the Muffin Man
M for
who lives on
monkey,
Drury Lane.
N for nose, O for oven,
The muffin man, the muffin man,
P for penguin,
the muffin man who lives on Drury Lane.
Yes, we know the
Q for quarter,
the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the
R
Muffin Man
R for rose, S for starfish, T for tiger, U for unicycle, V for village, W for wardrobe, X for Xbox, Y for yellow, Z for zipper,